So the question is, why am I putting myself up to do this work? It's significant cost to me, to Value Glide, but why am I doing it? I'm doing it because of, I guess, 3 reasons. Let's see whether we can remember them. Reason number 1 is that I am very, very confident that value stream mapping provides significant benefit to the organizations that use this service. That ability to see the flow of work and visualizing it and getting a shared understanding across the group to see these are the steps that it goes through. So visualizing that, understanding the interruptions, getting a shared understanding across that multidisciplinary team, and then collectively agreeing on where should we start our change and improvement. Those are really significant steps and significant events that need to happen. Now, when it comes to improvement, do we do one or do we do all of them at the same time? That depends on the context, very much on the context. Doing it sequentially, it will take a bit longer, but depending on your context and what learning you want to get out of it, maybe doing one step at a time is an approach. But typically what we do is once you look at that end-to-end flow, it's going to be more of a multiple touch points that you need to streamline and improve and get going. The other thing that this workshop does, if you create a report and put it in front of a person, a leader, manager, team of people, it is your understanding, if you like, shared with them. Whereas that team goes through gaining that knowledge themselves, learning to see and gaining that knowledge has got much, much higher impact than me or anybody else providing that report. So that's the other key benefit that it comes out of this workshop setting. And the last one is that because we have now gained that knowledge collectively, it minimizes and in most cases eliminates the finger pointing. Say, oh, it's in dev, it's in environment, it's in marketing, it's in sales. Oh, proposition wasn't quite right. We didn't quite explain what it is we wanted to go after. That eliminates all of that because what we are understanding is what are the limitations of the system of work that we have? Where are the bottlenecks? Where are the constraints? And how do we move forward? So those are the 3 reasons, if you like, why it is crucial and why I am going to invest a lot of my personal time to help organizations move forward. I'd love to work with your organization and make sure you are also achieving results that I have achieved with other organizations. Want to learn more? Look up www.valueglide.com or link with me on any of my social media channels.